Hello everyone! Today I want to create a handbag using vinyl leather. I hope this tutorial can help you to make a handbag. If you have any question about this tutorial, just comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Aden Studio, if you like to get more videos about bags making. Thank you and happy crafting! Step 1. Material preparation. Prepare all the materials you need to create this handbag. In this tutorial, we use vinyl leather as the outer and thin polyester fabric as the inner material. Please comment if you need the pattern. Step 2. Making the inner body. Prepare the polyester fabric for the inner and the zipper. Sew along this area. Do it for both sides. Put together the polyester fabric facing each other. Use clipping pins for help. Sew along the side. Now we finished making the inner body. Step 3. Making the outer body. Prepare the vinyl leather for the handles part. Then fold the vinyl leather facing each other like this. Sew along this area. Then, turn around the leather by pulling the one side of the leather. Take the vinyl leather for the outer, then put together with the handles. Use clipping pins. Sew along this area. Do it for both sides. And this is the result. Do it for the other body part too. Turn around the outer back. Now we want to make some folding effects. Fold the area that has been cut before like this. Do it for both sides. Sew along this area. Fold the top of the outer about 1 cm inside, then hold it using clipping pins. Do it for both sides. Fold the bottom part of the body like this and hold it using clipping pins. Sew along this area. Put together the bottom part. Sew along this area. To create a square effect on the bottom, fold the bottom part like this. Then sew along this area. Do it for both sides. Now, put the foam to the bottom of the body. Apply glue and place it on the bottom of the bag. Now, the outer body is finished. Step 4. Sewing all parts together. Put the inner body inside the outer body. Use clipping pins to make it easier. Sew along this area and do it for both sides. Now, the handbag is ready. Thanks for watching and see you on the next tutorial.